All right. So this year I went to PAX 2024 in Seattle, and I was introduced to this great chair. Now, this is called the Cougar, the Terminator. All right. It has a spine in the actual back that rotates and blends down. I fell in love with the chair. It was very ergonomical for a body kind of thing. It kind of controls your whole body in motion. Like in case you're gonna have neck strain or anything, you can place it to the back or extend the actual head mount, tilt it. This whole thing was every single part was could rotate or move. I like the actual cushion that they had on the top and in the middle. They kind of had two of them. If you guys can see, this guy's going to demonstrate for us when I asked them, hey, can you test it out for me and see how much can it go back? And if it's strong enough to hold your weight when you actually pull back. And to me, to surprise me, it was really comfortable. If you can see, the pillow goes up to your neck, but you can actually lower it down, set it up. It's right now, we're testing it out, we're looking at it, but it was one of those things that I fell in love with the chair. You know, it's one of those things I could sit down for a couple of hours, especially if you're gaming or if you're doing video editing like I am. This is something that I'm looking at right now to actually purchase. So overall, like all the features, it has plenty of features. I like the new style it has. The kind of like I said, it comes with great stuff, attachments and rotating and so forth. So very simple chair.
I like that.
Hope you guys enjoy the video.